Hello students. In this session, we'll discuss about diazonium salts. Diazo means di means two, azo means nitrogen. Diazo means that represents two nitrogen and presence of two nitrogen atoms. And these diazonium salts are represented by general formula ArN2 plus X minus. This is the general formula for the diazonium salts, where Ar is aryl group. Ar stands for aryl group. X may be Cl, Br, HSO4, BF4, etc. N2 plus, that is written as N triple bond N plus, is called diazonium group. Diazonium group. Now let us see the examples of diazonium salts. These are some of the examples of diazonium salt. This is orthotoluene diazonium bromide. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. This is benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. These are the examples of diazonium salts. Stability of diazonium salts. Aliphatic diazonium salts are unstable, whereas aromatic diazonium salts are quite stable for a short time in the solution at lower temperature of 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, 273 to 278 Kelvin. The stability of aromatic diazonium salts can be explained on the basis of resonance. As the diazonium salts or aromatic diazonium salts or arene diazonium salts undergoes resonance, that is the reason why they are quite stable for a short time at a low temperature of 0 to 5 degree centigrade. Aliphatic diazonium salts are not stable as they do not involve in resonance. Hence, immediately lose nitrogen to form relatively more stable alkyl carbocation. Now let us discuss method of preparation of diazonium salts by the process called as diazotization. First, aniline is dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid and cooled to 273 to 278 Kelvin. A solution of sodium nitrite in water is added. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed, and this process is called as diazotization. The process of conversion of primary amine into diazonium salt is called as diazotization. The process of conversion of aromatic primary amines to diazonium salt is called as diazotization. Now let us discuss the reaction. NaNO2 plus HCl. Already we have discussed this reaction. HNO2, this is nitrous acid plus HCl. This nitrous acid reacts with aniline. NH2. This is aniline reacts with nitrous acid. Here we write O, N, OH, HNO2, H, NO2 nitrous acid plus HCl. Here we can remove molecule of water like this. Eliminate one molecule of water here, another molecule of water here. Then these two nitrogen atoms are linked with the Cl. That compound is diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. Temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin, 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. You are going to get benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene group. Then nitrogen is linked to another nitrogen through double bond. Nitrogen double bond nitrogen, then link this Cl. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride plus 2H2O. Sodium nitrate is made to react with HCl. You are going to get nitrous acid. This is highly unstable nitrous acid, so it is prepared in situ. In situ means within the reaction. Then this aniline is made to react with nitrous acid in the presence of dilute hydrochloric acid. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. This is method of preparation of diazonium salt. Now we'll discuss physical properties of diazonium salts. Benzene diazonium chloride is colorless crystalline solid. Benzene diazonium chloride is readily soluble in water and is stable only in cold condition, but react with water when warmed when warm to form phenol. It is stable in cold condition. If warm water is added, it forms phenol. It decomposes easily in dry state. Number 4, benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate is water insoluble and is stable at room temperature. These are some of the physical properties of diazonium salts. Now we'll discuss chemical properties of diazonium salts. The reactions of diazonium salts can be broadly divided into two categories. Namely, number 1 is retention of other reactions involving removal of diazo group. Second, reactions involving retention of diazo group. Now we'll discuss reactions involving removal of diazo group. In this type of reaction, the nitrogen gas is nitrogen is lost in the form of nitrogen gas, and the diazonium group is good leaving group, and another substituent group occupies the position of diazo group on the aromatic ring. Under this heading, now we'll discuss some examples of Sandmeyer's reaction, Gutmann's reactions, etc. Now first we'll discuss about Sandmeyer's reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride C6H5 into plus Cl minus, when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous chloride Cu2Cl2, treated with cuprous chloride in hydrochloric acid, chlorobenzene is formed. Plus nitrogen gas. This reaction is known as Sandmeyer's reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous chloride in HCl, chlorobenzene is formed. This reaction is known as Sandmeyer's reaction. Now we'll discuss one more example. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous cyanide. In potassium, in the presence of potassium cyanide, KCN, cyanobenzene is formed. This is also example for Sandmeyer's reaction. This is cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene plus nitrogen gas is liberated plus Cu2 Cl2. This is cyanobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous cyanide. In potassium cyanide, cyanobenzene is formed. This is also example for Sandmeyer's reaction. Now let us discuss Gutmann's reaction. Gutmann reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with copper in the presence of HCl, chlorobenzene is formed. Cl plus N2. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with copper in the presence of HCl, chlorobenzene is formed. If copper in the presence of HBr is taken, you are going to get bromobenzene. This reaction is known as Gutmann's reaction. This is chlorobenzene. If copper in the presence of HBr is taken, you are going to get bromobenzene. This is Gutmann's reaction. Conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to fluorobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with fluoroboric acid. Fluorobenzene is formed. This is how you can convert the benzene diazonium chloride into fluorobenzene. Now we'll discuss conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to iodobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with potassium iodide, iodobenzene is formed. Plus nitrogen gas plus KCl. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with potassium iodide, iodobenzene is formed. Now we'll discuss conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to benzene. Benzene diazonium chloride is reduced using mild reducing agent such as hypophosphorus acid H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid, or ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Benzene is formed. Either hypophosphorus reduced using mild reducing agents such as hypophosphorus acid or ethyl alcohol, benzene is formed. Benzene plus nitrogen H3PO3 plus HCl. Here benzene ring plus nitrogen gas plus CH3CHO acetaldehyde plus HCl. This is how we can convert benzene diazonium chloride into benzene. Next is conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to phenol. When benzene diazonium chloride is warmed with water in the presence of sulfuric acid, hydrolysis takes place forming phenol. Benzene diazonium chloride plus H2O warm it, you are going to get phenol OH plus nitrogen gas plus HCl. This is phenol. Next is conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to nitrobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with fluoroboric acid, benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate is formed. Benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, which on heating this plus N2 plus BF3 plus HCl. Benzene diazonium chloride with fluoroboric acid gives benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, which on heating with sodium nitrite as well as copper, in the presence of copper, nitrobenzene is formed. This is how we can convert benzene diazonium chloride into nitrobenzene. Now we'll discuss reactions involving retention of diazo group. It is also known as coupling reaction. In benzene diazonium chloride, the diazonium ion N2 plus X minus, that is the diazonium ion, acts as a weak electrophile. It can react only with the aromatic compounds which containing activating groups such as phenols, amines, etc. to form azo compounds. This particular reaction is called as coupling reaction. Now let us discuss the reactions regarding coupling reactions. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol, gives orange red, that is parahydroxyazobenzene. Next, let us discuss reaction of benzene diazonium chloride with aniline. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline, gives para-aminoazobenzene, that is yellow color dye. This is about coupling reaction. Importance of diazonium salts in the synthesis of aromatic compounds. These diazonium salts are the important tools in the hands of synthetic organic chemists. The chemical reactions of these salts can be used to prepare compounds like cyanides, nitro compounds, aryl fluorides, and iodides. The replacement of diazo group by other groups is very much helpful in preparing substituted aromatic compounds which cannot be prepared by direct substitution in benzene or substituted benzene. These are the importance of diazonium salts in the synthesis of aromatic compounds.